Today is March 29. Look at this thing over here, the cherry blossom and UW. There's a lot. The time is 2:17 in the afternoon. Oh, look at this. There's a lot of cherry blossom over here. That's so nice. Wow. That's a lot, right?